Hello, I'm Tim Brinker, Presiding Commissioner of Franklin County, Missouri. There have been 24 positive cases of COVID-19 to date, and they span the cities of Pacific, Sullivan, Londell, Villa Ridge, Union, Washington, St. Albans, and New Haven. The virus has no boundaries. If you feel sick, stay home isolated. If you're not sick and can stay home, please do so. Testing continues at the Washington Fairgrounds thanks to Mercy Hospital. Now, Friday, April 3rd, Missouri Baptist BJC Hospital's testing facility will have a soft opening and be open in full next week. The Commission has passed several orders today relevant to protections for our public. One, we amended the public gatherings and social distancing order to extend through April 30th. Another order we passed was to allow for exercise facilities / gyms to conduct exercise and fitness programs outdoors. No equipment may be used. Any and all participants must maintain a minimum of 6-foot distance between other participants. Only less than 10 people may participate, including trainers / instructors. We have also established restrictions on visitation, as well as entrance protocol for staff and caregivers to assisted living facilities, nursing homes, as well as residential and long-term care facilities. These places represent our most vulnerable, and it is our absolute mission to protect those that cannot protect themselves and protect those that care for those clients and residents of those respective facilities. While on the subject of existing orders, the restaurant and bar carry-out curbside service order will more than likely be extended until the 30th of April as well. Our emergency declaration for the county will be put in place until an order stating an emergency no longer exists is passed. The personal contact industry suspension order impacting hair facilities, gyms, exercise facilities, tattoo businesses, massage businesses, etc., will more than likely be extended until the 30th of April as well. We advise everyone to plan accordingly. I want to address where Franklin County stands versus other counties in our regions with our rules in place. The state of Missouri has in place the following orders. In accordance with the guidelines from the President of the United States and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, every person in the state of Missouri shall avoid social gatherings of more than 10 people. For purposes of this order, social gathering shall mean any planned or spontaneous event or convening that would bring together more than 10 people in a single space at any time. In accordance with the guidelines from the President also and the CDC, every person in Missouri shall avoid eating or drinking at restaurants, bars, or food courts, provided, however, that they use the drive-through, pickup, or delivery option, which is still allowed. Also, another order from the state is that people shall not visit nursing homes, long-term care facilities, retirement homes, or assisted living homes unless to provide critical assistance. It's imperative, as stated earlier. Those orders, as implemented by the Missouri DHSS, Division of Health and Senior Services, and Governor Mike Parson, combined with the orders imposed by the Commission of Franklin County, are as extreme as have ever been. And when these laws are followed, as all great Americans should do, follow those laws, they will indeed intensely impede and impact this virus in the fashion we want. I have reached out to all of our municipalities and asked that they help our county with these orders within their jurisdictions, and have gotten great response from the administrators I've spoken with. I can't say enough good things about all of our cities. With the incredible cooperation that they can provide, we will surely get the upper hand in this battle. There will not be a need for a total shutdown of our county when all of these orders are followed by everyone and enforced when we must to protect our citizens. Supplies for our county are as follows. As far as masks are concerned, we have 3,200 of the N95 masks in stock and 2,000 surgical masks arriving tomorrow. PPEs, personal protective equipment, remain at a premium, and in lieu of those, we have been utilizing plastic ponchos and will continue until sufficient supplies of the PPEs are attained. We are concerned about ventilators in Franklin and the region as their availability is limited. I had a conference call with Governor Parson, St. Charles County Executive Ellman, and Jefferson County Executive Gannon regarding the regional battle we're undertaking. The governor assured us full cooperation from his office and state resources. We are grateful for Governor Parsons reaching out and understanding our dire needs of support and materials. Shortly thereafter, St. Charles County, Jefferson County, and myself representing Franklin County submitted a letter to Governor Parson for monies that will be needed in our respective counties to put every resource we can against this virus. As spelled out in the Federal CARES Act, your local governments with less than 500,000 populations must appeal to the governor for these resources. So we did so immediately. Our Franklin County first responders are doing incredibly. Every citizen should please take the time to thank them when they can, via Facebook or online or messaging or by phone. Angie Hitson and Tony Buell, as well as the many staffers in our health department, continue to put in countless hours doing contact tracing and many other aspects of health department provision. Priceless is a word I would use for the department we have here in Franklin County. Now, our most valued asset, you, our citizens. It is now the time that we all comply, cooperate, help one another, and keep vigilant. We cannot let our guard down. We cannot look to someone else to do what we need to be doing. We all need to be accountable to ourselves, our families, our friends, neighbors, and fellow Franklin County residents. Please follow the protocol against the coronavirus. Stay home. Wash your hands frequently with soap and warm water. Clean surfaces that are used a lot. Check on your loved ones, especially the elderly or folks that have no one to seek assistance. I hope and pray that these messages reach you all in the sincerity that they're meant, and that's because we all truly care about you and want nothing more than for success in plowing through this crisis. Thank you all, and God bless you.